Welcome to course 2. Today we will be talking about a very big confusion. Carrier oil versus essential oils. ये carrier oils होते क्या हैं और ये essential oils होते क्या हैं? So let me just start with what are carrier oils. Carrier oils are the nourishing or base oils which are derived from nuts, seeds or fruits. Examples are jojoba, almonds, sesame, most common coconut. They safe to use be used directly on skin and they deliver fatty acids and vitamins. तो आप कैरियर ऑयल्स को डायरेक्टली अपने स्किन पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो, चाहे जजोबा हो, चाहे कोकोनट हो, चाहे एप्रिकॉट हो. And they also help with skin brightening, skin penetration, dry skin, and they're very good to be used as a base of your face massage. Now, when it comes to essential oils, on the other side, essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts, जो अभी मैंने इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में भी बताया था. They, for example, hundreds of pounds of lavender flowers are distilled to make 1 pound of essential oil. तो अगर हमें 1 ग्राम ऑफ रोज एसेंशियल ऑयल भी चाहिए होगा तो हमें 1000 kgs ऑफ एसेंशियल ऑयल ऑफ रोज को डिस्टिल करना पड़ेगा. And that's why it's very concentrated and it's very, very strong in itself. Now, because they're so strong, उनको बहुत less quantity में use करा जाता है and they have to be diluted in a base oil. And that is where the importance of essential oils and carrier oils comes in place. आपको कोई भी essential oil use करने से पहले आपको एक suitable carrier oil use करना पड़ेगा जो आपकी skin type के लिए suitable हो. That is where the real deal comes, where everyone says, you can use rosehip, कोई कहता है almond क्यों नहीं use कर सकते, कोई बोलता है coconut क्यों नहीं use कर सकते. The whole idea is every essential oil and every carrier oil has its own distinct properties. उसकी खुद की ingredient, उसकी अपनी comedogenic rating होती है जो कि आपकी body type और आपकी skin type से adapt करती है, उसके according आप use कर सकते हो. Let's take examples of carrier oils, ठीक है? For first, let's pick up jojoba oil. It has a comedogenic rating of 2. It helps to balance your sebum. It's great for oily or combination skin. Now, what is comedogenic rating? Basically, we have a rating from 0 to 5. So, if your oil is very, very greasy, and then it's going to make you break out. It's very thick and it's going to be, it's good for skin, thicker skin. So, उसकी comedogenic rating 5 होगी. And on the other side, if it's a light oil, which it's fluid, it has very less pore clogging properties, so उसकी comedogenic rating 1 या 2 होगी. So as I said, jojoba, it's very safe for skin, even for combination or oily skin, alright. Then we come to sweet almond oil. इसकी comedogenic rating 3 or 4 होती है. It's very rich in vitamin E and softens dry skin. So if you have dry skin, if you have mature skin and you're looking for an oil to help you combat that, then the almond is a very good oil. Sesame. Sesame is a very heavy oil but is deeply nourishing and antioxidant rich. So इसकी comedogenic rating होती है 4. If you have very dry skin, if you have tendency of eczema, psoriasis, then sesame is a very good oil for you to try. Now, all of these oils are good in themselves, but they're not gliding enough. So आपको वो इतना easily slide नहीं देगा अगर आप individual oil use करोगे. Same like sesame. Sesame or a castor oil is a very thick oil. तो अगर आप उसको directly apply करोगे तो आपको glide नहीं मिलेगा. So what you need to do is you need to blend carrier oils to get that perfect glide, and you need to blend them to get that perfect combination for your skin. So let's say sesame or almond needs to be mixed with jojoba so that you get the glide for face yoga, you get that glide to be able to do your massages easily. On top of that, for that extra benefit, you need to add essential oils like, let's take example lavender. So lavender has very calming tendencies. It is antibacterial, it lowers stress levels, and it also helps with skin brightening. So if you're looking for skin brightening, you're looking at sleeping better, then lavender is an amazing oil to reduce the lower stress levels. Geranium, it helps to balance your skin tone. So uneven skin tone, imbalanced skin tone, geranium works beautifully. And also at the same time, it helps to uplift mood. So if anytime you're in mood for self-love, geranium is your oil to go. Patchouli. Patchouli regenerates skin and relieves anxiety. So if you're going through a very stressful time and you need to reduce anxiety, then patchouli is an amazing oil for you. Cedarwood. Cedarwood regulates your skin ka sebum and has grounding earthy aroma. So if you like very subtle aroma, earthy aromas, then cedarwood is the best oil for you. Neem oil. It has strong therapeutic carrier properties, antibacterial and clarifying. It's very safe to use if you're mixing it with a base of carrier oil. So if we talk about mixture, so generally if you're using 100 grams of carrier oil, let's say jojoba or let's say coconut oil, then 1 or 2 grams of essential oils is more than enough. Essential oils की quantity बढ़ा के आपको improvement नहीं मिलेगा और कम करके भी आपको effect नहीं मिलेगा. So if you're doing 100 gram then or 100 ml, then 1 ml of essential oil is more than enough. Remember, it's very concentrated and very less is required. Carrier oils feed the skin. Essential oils target specific need and they also support your emotional state. Comment below which oils you've used before and I'll share you how to get the most out of them. And if any other doubts on carrier oils, which one to use for your skin, trust me, stay tuned for the next coming up courses and you'll get all your answers there. See ya!